Hi friends, in this video we are discussing fitting of a nonlinear curve. In that topic is fitting of a parabola. This topic we are chosen from curve fitting. Okay, in this video first we will discuss working rule and we will solve the problem on fitting of a parabola by using the calculator. This calculator I will use. At the end of the video I will tell you the shortcut for the given data. What are the values, what are the unknowns A, B, C. Okay. Now coming to the working rule. Friends, first they will give the values xi comma yi. Okay. For that we have to fit a parabola. We have to consider the parabola y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Sometimes they will give in the problem that is in the form of, maybe of course both are same. Here a, b, c are unknowns. Now in this case you see y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, both will be same. Okay na? Now for this what we have to do means we have to write the normal equations. The normal equations of the parabola. Here you observe, to get the parabola we require what are the unknowns to find? A value, b value, c value. What they will give in the tabular values? Xi comma yi, means x values you know, y values you know. We have to find out a, b, c. So how many unknowns are there? 3 unknowns. So you require 3 equations. To solve the 3 unknowns, how many equations we require? 3 equations. So we will get the 3 normal equations. How to get the normal equation? See, first of all, these are the normal equation. So to remember, how you will remember this normal equations means, you see, what is the a quotient? 1, b quotient x, c quotient x square. Now a quotient is 1, so we have to multiply entire equation with the summation 1 for this equation. Then you will have this one. Here you see, summation 1 into y is summation y. Summation 1 into a means summation a. Actually you see, summation 1, if you have summation 1 is nothing but a number of observations. Number of observations are n. So na. A is a constant, that is why I have written na. Next 1 into summation x, that is summation x. 1 into summation x square, summation x square. Okay. Next, first term is over, a quotient is over. Now coming to the b quotient. B quotient is here summation x. First b quotient is x, we have to multiply with the summation x. X is nothing but xi friends. Xi, x1, x2, x3, so on x1, so on xn. That is the reason I am multiplying with x and adding summation for this. Then I will have here summation x into y is summation xy, a into summation x, b into summation x square, c into summation x cube. And the last equation, to get the last equation we have to multiply with c quotient. What is the c quotient? X square. So you have to multiply with x square for this entire equation, summation x square, that is y into summation x square is summation x square y, a into summation x square, b into summation x cube plus c into summation x power 4. So in these 3 equations we know only x values, y values only we know, but we require to find out summation x, summation x square, summation x cube, summation x power 4, summation y, summation xy and summation x square y. So these all values we have to get. How we will get means, based on the given data we have to construct the table. We need to find out these all values by using calculator. Of course you can do directly, but calculator is very easily we can use. Now we will get these 3 equations. Now you observe these 3 equations are in the form of ax is equal to b form or not. So this is a non-homogeneous system of linear equations we will have. So on solving these equations you can use the matrix method in general method, or else by using the calculator also we can get the unknown values ABC. After getting these ABC values we have to substitute in y is equal to ax plus bx plus a plus bx plus cx square. Y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square, which gives the required parabola. Okay na? Now we will discuss problem. Given problem is fit a parabola of second degree. Fit a parabola of second degree. Generally parabola is in the form of second degree only. Polynomial of degrees 2. To the following data. X values they are given and corresponding y values also they are given. Okay. Now first what we have to do? We have to consider the parabola. Let us consider the parabola y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Consider as equation number 1. In this parabola we know only x values and corresponding y values. So we need to find out the constants. Here unknowns what you have? A, b, c, these 3. So for that first what we have to do? we have to write the normal equations for this parabola. Okay, what we have to do, what is the a quotient here? A quotient is 1, so we have to multiply with 1 and add the summation for that. Here how many observations are there? You see 1 2 3 4 5, so n is equal to 5. So what are the normal equations we have? Just we have to multiply with a quotient, b quotient, c quotient, then each means total you will have 3 equations. Okay, first equation. Now summation 1 is nothing but what you have? 5, that you have to remember. Okay, y, summation 1 into y is summation y, a into summation 1. So summation 1 means here 5, summation 1 is here 5 na? 5 into a is 5. Why I am writing 5, is it clear? Summation 1 is equal to number of observations are n, those are 5. Next, summation 1 into bx means summation bx, but b is a constant, you can write, because here you have only a, that is a constant, but here you have b is a constant and variable is also there. So summation 1 into x becomes summation x plus c into summation x square. Next, first one is over. Next equation, how you will get means b quotient is x, so multiply with summation x on both sides, then summation xy is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square plus c into summation x cube. Next, multiply with x square on both sides, then summation you have to apply, summation x square y is equal to a into summation x square plus b into summation x cube plus c into summation x to the power of 4. Now you observe here, these three are equations are called normal equations for the parabola. But here you know what values? X value, y value. But what you need to find? Here we need to find summation x square, x cube, x power 4. Similarly, summation y, summation xy, and finally summation x square y. How we will get these values means we have to construct the table for this. Okay. For the calculation we have to do table. Here we have to write x values and y values. Here x square, this is x cube, x to the power of 4. Here you have to write xy value and x square y values. Okay, but we know only xy values. X values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and corresponding y values we have 1.0, 1.8, 1.3, 2.5, 6.3. Okay, now we have to add these all values, then we will get a summation x. If you are added these all, then you will have summation x is equal to 10, and if you are added these all values, we will get a summation y, that is 12.9. Now we want x square value, then you will get summation x square, x cube value, x power 4. How you will get means x value whole square, x1 square, x2 square, x3 square. This is y1 value. Next you require to find x1, y1 product. Next x1 square, y value you need to find. Okay, by using the calculator we can do very easily. See here we want x square na, so of course these values are small, you can do very easily. But here suppose if they are given 53, 54, 55, in that case is it easy to get square cubes? It is not easy, so better to use the calculator. So now press AC button here. Now go for menu. In that first here they are given, you see how what I am doing, alpha x square, like square I am writing here, x square. So give x value, then you will get x square value. For that press calculate, solve for x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 means you will have 0. For x is equal, next solve for 1, solve for 1, then you will have 1. Okay, similarly you have to solve for all, then we will get 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Next solve, next you want x cube. So for x cube press AC. Now alpha x, next shift x square, then you will give x values, then you will get corresponding x cube values. For that solve, press x is equal to 0 is 0 na? So for x is equal to 1, here you will have 1. Solve for x is equal to 2, then you will have x cube value. Solve for x is equal to 3, you will have x cube value. Like this we have to do. And not only x cube, you will get xy also. You see for xy what you have to do means here, you see alpha x, alpha y. Now alpha x, alpha y. Okay, now you press solve. It will ask x value and y value. Suppose you see now I am solving for this. X is equal to 4, Now y value is corresponding y, what I have here, 6.3. So 6.3 is equal to, now which gives xy value, press SD, that is 25.2. Similarly x square y also you can find it. How you can find it? You say alpha x, press x square into alpha y. Now you solve and you have to give x value only, not x square value. X value is, suppose x is equal to 3, here you have 3 na 3, and y value is 2.5. Then you will get which value? You see x square y value, that is 22.5. Like this we have to solve all. Then you need to write all these values in the table. Now I am writing directly those all values. After simplification we will have, okay. Now I have written all values, but what you require? Summation x square, summation x cube, summation x power 4, summation x y, summation x square y. Friends, if you want to add, sometimes we will do mistakes, okay. For that also again you can go for calculator, okay. For these values you can use, by using the calculator you can do. Now you see, for that what I am doing, press more. I want summation is nothing but I have to go for statistics. In that statistics is number 6. So press 6 button. Now which one you require? Summations. So here there is no summation. Now press down joystick. Again down joystick here. You see we are not getting anything. But here you see here it is appear like 3 is 3. You observe option 3. Y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. So first we have to give xy values. But what we are fitting here? We are fitting a parabola. Is it in the form of y is equal to ax plus a plus bx plus cx square? Yes. So press 3. Now you give the all values of x and y. Now x values we have 0 is equal to 1, equal to 2, equal to 3, equal to 4, is equal to, like that we have to give. Now corresponding y values. So press down joystick and go for right joystick. Now you will have 1.0 is equal to 1.8 equal to 1.3 is equal to 2.5 equal to, next 6.3. Now you are given a press AC. After is equal to, now you observe all the values are correct or not. We have to verify. Here 0 1, okay. Next 1 1.8, okay. 2 1.3, okay. 3 2.5, correct. Next 4 6.3, right. Now you press AC. It is just minimized only. Now you observe statistics. We are fitting y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square form. Now you have to press option button. In this one what we required? Summation values we required. Is there 1 2 3 4 options? Are it, is it appearing summation? No. Now press down joystick. In the down joystick you observe the first option, what you have? Summation. So press 1. Now you observe what we are getting. In that one summation x square, second option. Third one summation y, fourth summation y square, summation xy, sixth one summation x cube, seventh one x square y, summation x square y, eighth one is summation x power 4. So you required summation x na. So press 1. You observe, press 1. What you are getting? 10. You am I written 10 is correct or not? Yes. Next go for again AC button. Press AC. Options. In that press down joystick. Press 1. Next you want summation y. Summation y is plus 3. Summation y is equal to 12.9. Correct or not? Next again press AC. Go for options. Now down joystick. Press 1. Again you required x square. Summation x square means press 2. Press 2 is equal to, you observe, 30. Next press AC. Now what I required? Summation x cube. Go for options. In this one down joystick. Summation 1, press 1. Now summation x cube is which option? You see, sixth option. So press 6 is equal to button. Then I will have, this is 100. Next I want summation x power 4. Summation x power 4 na. Now press AC. Go for options. Now down joystick. Press 1. Now summation x power 4 is which option? 8th one. Press 8 is equal to, then 354. Next you see, it is very typical to add these small values you can add, but bigger values it is not easy. That is why I am explaining in the calculator. Press AC. Now go for options. Now down joystick. Summation 1. Next you want summation xy. Summation xy is fifth option. So press 5. Again is equal to button. That is 37.1. Next I want to summation x square y. Press AC. Now go for options. Now down joystick. Press 1. Now I want x square y. X square y is a seventh option. So press seventh option. That is equal to 130.3. So now you have all the values of summation for the normal equations you observe. Now we have to write all the values in this equation. Then we will have So I have written all the values, n value, summation x, summation x square, summation x cube, summation x power 4, summation x, summation x y, summation x square values. Now you observe here, these are called system of linear equations or not? Yes. What are the unknowns here? A, B, C. So now we have to solve these all. This is in the matrix form. If you want to do in a Ax is equal to B, you can do in that method, or else generally addition, subtraction by using that algebraic operation also you can get ABC value. But by using the calculator also you can get this. Now I will explain how to solve these ABC values by using calculator. You see, now we are in a statistics mode. Now if you press AC, now go for menu, in that option 1. Now we are in general mode, but we are solving a system of linear equations. So go for equations mode here. You see fifth one. Next, already I know, that is why I am saying directly A. A is the equations or functions. Now press A. Here you have A. Now these are simultaneous equations with the 3 unknowns. So simultaneous equation, press 1. How many number of unknowns you have? A, B, C. Nothing but 3. So press 3. Now you are getting in this form. You see, this is the form you have. So this is 0x plus 0y is plus 0z is equal to 0. Like ax plus by plus means ax is equal to b form, system of linear equations. These are in matrix form. Now in here actually we have ABC 5a plus 10b plus 30c. Nothing but you consider a is equal to a is nothing but x, b is nothing but y, c is nothing but z. So in the calculator you will get xy value, xy z only. Okay, no, not ABC. Now we have to give A quotient as X quotient, B quotient as Y quotient, C quotient as a Z quotient. Okay, now I am giving those all values here. First I have X quotient is 5, Y quotient is 10, next 30 is equal to, here the constant I have 12.9, press is equal to, next 10 equal to 30 equal to 100 is equal to, next 37.1 is equal to, next 30 equal to 100 equal to 354 is equal to 130.3 equal to. Okay, press here I have given all the values. You can verify again. Okay, now you can cross check like this. Now I am pressing AC. If it is all correct, then you press AC button. Then it gives X value. X value is equal to 71.50. Na? So numerical if you want, so press SD button. Here you see SD, you have, press SD, then you will have X values 1.42. So I am writing here X is equal to 1.42. Next again is equal to press, then it gives Y value. Y is equal to minus 1.07. Again you press AC, is equal button, then which gives Z value. Z is equal to 0.55. Okay, now these are what values you consider? A, B, C. So now you substitute this A, B, C value in the parabola. What is the parabola you have? Y is equal to A plus Bx plus Cx square. So A value, B value, C value we have to substitute in equation number 1. So we need to write that one. Substitute A, B, C in equation number 1, which implies the required parabola y is equal to 1.42 plus 1.42 plus into minus 1.07x plus 0.55. So this is the required parabola. Friends, now there is a shortcut for you. I will tell you. Listen carefully. These ABC values we can get by using the calculator directly in one step only. Okay, you see, first what we have to do means we have to enter XY values. Okay, now press more. In this one, go for statistics, press 6. Here which this is we are fitting a parabola. Here we are fitting a parabola, so press 3 button. Now you have to give XY values. Now I am giving XY values. 0 is equal to 1 equal to 2 equal to 3 equal to 4 equal to. Next corresponding Y values I want here. Y values are 1 is equal to 1.8 equal to 1.3 is equal to 2.5 equal to 6.3 equal to. Again you have to cross check. Okay, if you are done any mistake, then enter solution will be wrong. Now you press AC. Direct step how you will get UC. Now go for options. In this one we require regression equation. So press 3. You see what you are getting? Equation is A plus Bx plus Cx square. What is A value? 1.42. Are you getting X is 1.42? Right. B value is minus 0.17. Check it here. Minus 0.17 or not? Here you see. Clear? Minus 1.07. Right. Next C value is 0.55. Right. I think you understood very clearly. Thank you for watching this video. Please give your valuable feedback.